My career aims and interests have led to a number of changes over the years, mostly good, but always interesting despite the combination of successes and failures, but with few regrets. As my work in television shifted from primarily corporate communications to creating programs for the golf industry, the use of my timeshares became intertwined with the golf business. In Orlando, during the winter, the biggest trade show in the golf industry takes place. In addition to the 4 scheduled days of the show, other activities connected to the event made having a full week in Orlando ideal for my timeshare. Around 2000, when being at the show became an annual event for myself, I was able to trade my week at either Hilton Head or Palm Springs for a week in Orlando. The bonus was that even though both my timeshares were 1 bedroom, I could trade for a 3-bedroom unit close to the convention center where the show was taking place. And by developing personal and business friendships in the business, the spare bedrooms were offered to other people for a price. While it didn't cover the total cost of the unit because of the maintenance fee paid on my timeshare and exchange company's fees for the Orlando trade, it was less expensive than any hotel. And there were additional benefits of much more room, and since everyone got along, it was a miniature version of a college fraternity in some ways. In fact, the unit became a hub for other colleagues to visit and socialize, especially if a big sporting event was on television like the NFL playoffs leading to the Super Bowl. There were many choices for making exchanges because each of my timeshares was listed with a different exchange. I did have the expense of membership in both RCI and Interval. RCI had the most timeshares in their inventory, but Interval had more units of higher quality. However, over time, there was a change that at first seemed positive, but foreshadowed a darker turn of events, as you'll see in Part 3.